With this update, Onshape includes a highly requested feature allowing you to attach markups in comments. Markup is available in part studios and assemblies, but most notably drawings as well. From the comments dialog, you'll find a new icon for Markup. Onshape takes a snapshot of your current view and opens it in the editor. You can draw freehand or use the shapes, text, or arrows. There are 6 different colors and 4 different line weights to choose from. Selecting a shape tool, you can use the Shift key to preserve an equal aspect ratio, as well as the Control to place via the center point rather than a corner. If you make a mistake, simply undo using your standard shortcut, Control or Command plus Z. Once you're finished, select the checkmark to add the markup image to the comment. You can then tag users and assign this as a task, just like any other comment. When the designer signs in, they'll be notified of the assigned task and can see the markup image attached. Clicking it will open it full screen. You may also right-click on the image and copy or save it for use in a report or to communicate it externally by any other method.
In this release, we've added the ability to control the appearance of your explode lines in drawings. In the Drawing Properties under Views, there are 2 new inputs for explode lines. You can control the line color and select from a list of line weights. Previously, iOS mobile devices were limited to importing images from cloud storage. Now, you can select local images or take a photo on the fly with the camera. Bring up the flyout menu on the bottom and then select the plus sign. The import has been split into Files, Camera, and Photo Library. Once imported, it appears as a tab on your document.